Okay, we are going to begin our reading portion. Because I'm not here with you, it's going to be a little bit different, but we're going to try to keep it as normal as we usually do. So, just to give you a heads up, we're going to read a story together called Whales, and you should have the book with you. And then after it, we are going to answer questions or do some sort of project fill in the blank with Cami. So, one of the two. Here we go. Open your book. So I'm going to read a page, then you need to pause the video and then read this next page by yourself. Then when you're ready, then turn the page, unpause the video, and I will be reading that one. So we're still going to be taking turns, and I do expect you to read some of it on your own, but not all of it. So we're trying to make it as workable as possible. Page 6, Chapter 1. A humpback whale leaps out of the water. Do you think whales have ever walked on legs? And the subtitle is Whales Walked Here. Remember to read along because you're going to come across words that I'm reading that you will end up reading on your own on the next page. So do your best to read along. What animal weighs more than 25 elephants and has a tongue big enough for 50 people to stand on? What animal can hold its breath for 2 hours? And what animal looks like a fish but isn't? If you guessed a whale, you're right. Whales have been around for millions of years. When dinosaurs lived on Earth, whales walked on land. They had 4 legs then. They probably walked like alligators. Over thousands of years, whales' back legs disappeared. Their front legs changed to flippers. Whales started living in water. We know whales had lived on land because they still have leg bones in their bodies, and the bones in their flippers above match the bones in a human arm and hand. Turn the page, pause the video, read this page by yourself. Page 10. Mammals are endotherms, or warm-blooded. That means their body temperature doesn't change much. A whale's body temperature stays the same, whether it's swimming in icy oceans or warm oceans. People are endotherms too. Your body temperature is the same in the winter and summer. The tail of a humpback whale can be seen as it dives into icy waters. Mammals can be endotherms because our bodies have extra protection. You wear clothes to help you stay warm. Many other mammals have fur covering their bodies. Whales have blubber. Blubber is a thick layer of fat. Blubber helps whales stay warm even in cold water. The white blubber can be seen in a whale's flipper that has been cut up. All right, turn the page, pause the video. Turn the page to page 14, chapter 2. The sperm whale is a toothed whale. Can you name another kind of toothed whale? Subtitle: Do whales have teeth? There are more than 90 species or kinds of whales. We divide all whales into 2 main groups. One group is called toothed whales. Okay, sorry about that. The other group is baleen whales. Toothed whales are predators or hunters. They have teeth to help them catch fish and squid. Dolphins are toothed whales. Orcas or killer whales are a type of dolphin also. Orcas are the most popular of the toothed whales. Whales who do tricks in marine parks are usually orcas. The caption: Toothed whales like this killer whale use their teeth only to catch the fish that they eat. They don't chew their food. Instead, they swallow it whole. Turn the page, pause the video. Turn the page, page 18. The caption, millions of plankton live in the ocean. Inset, krill are one kind of plankton that whales eat. Baleen whales eat plankton. Plankton are tiny plants and animals that float in the water. When a baleen whale opens its mouth to catch a plankton, it also takes in a lot of water. The whale uses its tongue to push the water out of its mouth. Plankton are trapped in the baleen, then swallowed. The largest animal on Earth, the blue whale, is a species of baleen whale. It's even bigger than the largest dinosaur that ever lived. In the caption, the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can grow to be 100 feet long and weigh 220 tons. Turn the page, pause the video. Page 22. Whales communicate by clicks, squeals, moans, and barks. They talk all the time. The ocean is full of their voices. Male humpback whales even sing. They can make about 1,000 different sounds. Each pod of humpback whales has its own special song. Some whales can see very well, but they use their ears more than they use their eyes. A whale makes a sound. The sound hits an object and bounces back to the whale. The sound that bounces back is called an echo. Echo, echo. If the echo comes back fast, the whale knows the object is close. If the echo takes a long time to return, the object is far away. This special way of using echoes is called echolocation. The caption, a friendly gray whale swims up to scientists who are recording whale sounds. Cute. And the second caption, echolocation, a whale makes a sound in red, which bounces off a boat. The echo in yellow tells the whale how close it is to the boat. Turn the page, pause the video. Page 26. In the winter, they migrate south to their calves so their calves can be born in warm, safe waters. Calves don't have much blubber, so they need to be in warm water. Toothed whales don't seem to migrate as baleen whales do. Most whales, both toothed and baleen, start their lives in the same way. Humpbacks are baleen whales. This is the story of a humpback calf's first year. Humpback whales are born in January. Hey, I'm born in January. They weigh nearly 3,000 pounds when they're born. I don't think I weighed that much, though. That's heavier than a car. A calf is born tail first. It rolls around like a barrel, but its mother quickly holds it with her flipper. Then she and another whale push the calf to the water surface. The calf takes its first breath of air. The captions, a humpback cow and her calf swim in the water. And the other caption, a calf takes a breath of air with the help of its mother and another whale from the pod. Turn the page, pause the video. Page 30. A calf must learn to hold its breath and dive. It also practices breaching. When a whale breaches, it leaps out of the water, then comes down with a huge splash. Nobody knows why whales breach. Tiny creatures often attach themselves to whales. Maybe whales breach to knock these creatures off their skin. Or maybe breaching is just fun. The captions, a humpback whale breaches. Another caption, creatures called barnacles are attached to the gray whale. Inset, a close-up look at barnacles and other creatures on a gray whale. Turn the page, pause the video. Page 34. When the whales reach their northern feeding grounds, they're very hungry, so they eat and eat and eat. Adult humpbacks can hold up to a ton of food in their stomachs. A ton of food. Oh my goodness. They may eat as much as 3,000 pounds of plankton every day. The caption: These humpback whales above and opposite are eating. Turn the page, pause the video. Page 38. For many years, whales were hunted and killed. In 1985, countries from all over the world decided that hunting whales would be against the law. Even so, Japan, Norway, Iceland, and Russia still kill whales. Some species of whales were hunted so much that they are nearly extinct. That means so many whales have died that not enough calves are being born to keep this species alive. The blue whale is almost extinct. There were once more than 200,000 mighty blue whales in the Antarctic alone. Now there are fewer than 9,000 in the whole world. Pollution hurts whales too. If people don't stop killing whales and polluting the oceans, whales may not be able to live anymore. The captions: this ship is used for hunting whales. The right whale was a whale that was hunted almost to extinction. Turn the page, pause the video. Page 42. The next time you think about the ocean, think about the mighty whales swimming, diving, and breaching. Deep in the ocean are whale families who talk, sing, and help each other and their neighbors. They breathe air and take care of their young. They are not much different from you and your family. The captions: A Pacific white-sided dolphin leaps through the air. And the second caption: Killer whales swim together in a pod. And that's the end of the book. In just a moment, I will have another video that tells you what your assignment will be after reading this story. Keep your book handy as you will need it.